Now I'm going to show you another important functionality of flash fill. Okay, so all the cells are completely cleared. Now you have the following names in your list, and you wanted to provide email addresses for the staffs. Many times providing emails is really a huge task because there are so many people working in your company, and you have to specially allocate time to take the, I would say, the first name or the middle name or the last name, and then join it with your organization and give them the email address. But this can be reduced to a greater extent. The time and the arduous labor that goes in can be minimized by using the flash fill. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the first name Ching, and with that I'm going to give the middle name V, and then join the company. Say I'm going to say spacexmath.com. So this is the name of the company. Now I'm going to highlight it there, and then I'm going to select the number of cells and go to data, click on flash fill. Immediately Excel understands it and takes the first name and the middle name and joins it with our company name and displays all the information for the email or required for the email. Of course, if you want, you can raise the font size and you will get a better view of the information. So we have in this class learned how to effectively use flash fill